Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Fruits and vegetables are available seasonally throughout the year. A fruit that is quite popular from October to February is pomegranate. Unfortunately, many of you won't be buying this amazing healthy fruit because it's very messy, unless you know this little trick. So my friends, let's get cooking. This is our pomegranate and we'll simply cut it in half over a paper towel. See, it's already messy, but no more of this because we'll transfer the fruit to a bowl filled with water. Then what we'll do is to break the membranes by pushing from the outside to help release the seeds. We'll pull the seeds out just like this. There's no need to wear black anymore or a rubber apron when prepping a pomegranate. You won't have to clean your kitchen either from juice splashing all over the place using this method. When we're done, the pomegranate seeds will be at the bottom. So we'll remove the white membrane pieces floating on top and discard them. Using a slaughter spoon, we'll scoop out the seeds into a bowl and proceed with our recipe. As you saw in this video, this is the simplest and easiest method to get the seeds out without covering you and your kitchen with its ruby red juice. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!